Hello there, today I will show you how to make glitch effect like this in Photoshop. We will use black background. Select the type tool and write the text. Center aligns the text. Select the layer and convert it into Smart Object. Double-click on the empty space near layer. Uncheck the G and B. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Double-click on the empty space near layer. Check the G and B and uncheck the R. Move the text a little bit to right. Select both layers and convert them to Smart Object. Now select Rectangular Marquee tool and make selection like this by holding Shift key. Click Mask icon to add mask. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Now select the mask of upper layer and press Ctrl or Command I to invert the mask. Move the bottom layer a little bit to the left. Select both layers and convert them to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Distort, Wave. Keep the settings like this. Duplicate the layer. Go to Filter, Pixelate, Mezzotint. Select the short lines. Now select the bottom layer and go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Keep the angle 0. Now select both layers and convert them to Smart Object. Duplicate the layer. Now go to Filter, Blur and Motion Blur. Play with the settings. Now change the blend mode to multiply. Our glitch effect is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.